What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. So I was just doing an oil change on the Yukon here. This is for the 25 and 26 Yukon. Should be all models. Mine is the Ultimate. But I just wanted to compare the new oil filters, the PF63 and the PF63A, which are replacing the PF63. So in my opinion, they're going backwards here. So this is a brand new oil filter that I picked up, and it's an AC Delco, but it's made in China. So that's the new stuff that's made in China, right? And this is the old PF63. So right there, PF63, right? So these things, I guess they're basically obsolete now. You can't really find them, even though I just bought a bunch of them from Amazon through AC Delco. For some reason you can't find them in the stores anymore, but it looks like it's going to take a couple of weeks to be shipped, and I'm in the need of an oil change. So like I said, I just picked this one up, right? And it's the PF63A. Now you can see the difference here. This one only has 8 returns, right? So the flow is going to be a lot different than this one. This one has 13 return holes there. So not sure what they're doing here. Like I said, I just bought 6 of these or 8 of these from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys are interested in picking them up. But if I were you, if you guys do your own oil change, I would pick a bunch of these up before they're completely gone, because these things look like they're junk. And I wasn't going to do this. I wasn't going to show you the oil change, but I mean, it's pretty basic. I'll jump under the car real quick. Hold on one second. Alright guys, so you can see here, there's the filter right up top here, right there. There's the filter, right? And there's the cap for the oil. So really simple. Just remove that, torque that back down to 18 pounds, and that's just a hand tight, as you can see. Very simple, easy to do. Save yourself a couple of bucks and do it yourself, and you know it's done right. Hold on. All right, back to the engine. So right over here, that's where you fill it up, 8 quarts of oil, and then your dipstick is right here. I have it out right now, but it's right there. So pretty simple, guys. Do your own oil changes. Believe me, you'll thank me, because you can't trust these people. 8 quarts of oil. My car, like I said, it's a 25, 26 model, so it still wants the 0W20. It's not part of the recall. But that's about it, guys. I'll leave a description, and I'll leave a link in the description below of the AC Delco 63 PF63s, and hopefully we can keep getting those, because in my opinion, like I said, guys, these things, I don't know what's going on with AC Delco, but this thing looks like it's cheap. You know, why did they go to 8? And this is a brand new 26th of August, which is where we are right now. And yeah, 13 holes versus 8 holes. So I don't know, I'll run it for 5,000 miles and then go back to these. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.